Hey guys, my name is Alex. I thought I'd take a minute and show you my new build, 2017 Skyway TA 24 inch. I just got done doing it and I thought I'd give back to all the people that did bike checks for me and helped me get good ideas out there. So here you go. Here it is, 2017 Skyway TA 24. Walk around it a little bit. Thing is sweet. Total weight 25.6 pounds. So my goal was to build a bike for speed and lightweight, not a weight junkie, but keeping it as light as I could. So I will start in the front. ODI lock-on grips, box 1 Eclipse brakes. They're built to work with the ODI lock-on grips, so the clamp on the lever takes place of this interior clamp on this grip side. It's really sweet. Kink Hulk bars. These are new for them. Cool little Hulk sticker. 10.5 inch rise, 30 inches wide. Cut it down to 28 inches. Profile acoustic stem, anodized blue. Odyssey tall stack integrated headset. I went with the Rhyno Lite rims, 1.75. Comp 3 type tires. They don't make Comp 3s with gum walls anymore. But they're nice, they're lightweight, 1.75. Profile Elite front hub, blue anodized with titanium bolts. Blue dice, I've always loved that look. Anodized blue spoke nipples. These are double butted spokes. A little more expensive, but they're lightweight, super strong, and they're really good. So that's awesome. Let's see here, Skyway TA 24. All the modern geometry, as far as I know. 2017 is the last run they did. I'm sure they'll do more, but right now 2017 is the newest. Pedals, Answer pedals. Nice, good size platform. It's lightweight, sealed bearings. Love these pedals. Profile racing cranks. Spline drive spider. Elite chain ring, 41 tooth on this guy. Sounds nice. Coming up, let's get the bottom bracket. Euro outboard bottom bracket. Profile seat post clamp. Got the P. XLC aluminum seat post, nothing fancy here. SE Racing Flyer seat. I had Kink seat post and Solus seat. Just wasn't tall enough and comfortable enough for me. Since I'm doing cruising, I swapped that out for this seat. It's a little more weight, about a pound. But it's super comfortable and I love it, so I'm happy. Going back, box 1 Eclipse rear V brakes. These are sweet brakes, titanium and aluminum. These are the bullseye. I went with these. Modern technology. You know, they're about $100. It's not too bad, and I love them. They work really well. Tons of power. Rhyno Lite rims again. Rear mini profile mini hub, and I'm running 15 tooth cog on the back, 41 on the front. I had 16, but I was spinning my wheels. So, you know, on the flats I was only getting about, I don't know, 12 miles an hour, and just kept having to pedal super fast to get anywhere. So I put the 15 on the back. That made a big difference. So now I'm getting good power on the flats, about 20 miles an hour if I want, and I can get up the hills, it's no problem. So changing the cog, one tooth, you get about an extra 5 inches per crank versus changing this chain ring one tooth. Anyway, I'll get into that in another video, what I learned about gears. Let's see what else. Box 1 concentric brake cable. It's a sweet bike. I love it. I built a Skyway when I was 12 years old, lawnmower money, 1982. I bought it in 85, and now it's on my wall. It's BMX art, fully restored it. But I wanted to be able to have a cool BMX bike that I love and wanted to ride. I'm 6'3", a little bit older, and this was it. So I'm pretty stoked on it. If you guys have any questions, if you want to talk a little bit about it, just shoot me a message and we'll go from there. I'll come back with a little bit more on gears and what I learned along the way. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. See you later.